In this video, I will show you how to use the best scalping trading strategy for Forex and crypto. I want to introduce you to a strategy that shows exactly where to enter long or short positions in cryptocurrency or Forex market. But before this video starts, I ask for your help by clicking the subscribe button below as a form of support for me to make videos. There are several things that we will discuss in this video. First, I will tell you about the setup of trading indicators. After that, I will show how to place stop loss and take profit while using trading indicators. Then I will give you tips related to trading. Finally, I will show some examples of trading. I'm using 15-minute time frame on Bitcoin USDT. Just watch this video until the end to learn how to use these great Tradingview indicators. This is all you need to increase your account in a super fast and simple, yet very profitable way. And also learn how to use the best indicators from Tradingview for free by making a chart analysis that will allow you to start investing in crypto and Forex on the day trade and thus get an extra income. To add the first indicator to the chart, open the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type 3 EMAS. Select the indicator as shown in the video. Click on Settings and in Inputs tab, change EMA 3 to 150. In Style tab, change color of EMA 1 to green, EMA 2 to blue. Select the second thickness for all lines. Setup is complete. Click OK to finish. Thanks to these very smart indicators, you can follow the market trend and find high probability trade entries to maximize profits. I will use 3 moving average exponential indicators to show the trend direction and the correct moment to place buy or sell orders. Just hit that like button if you're liking this video so far and type EMA in the comments below. It really helps out the channel and I appreciate you guys for doing that now. For a buy order, EMA green line must be above EMA blue line. EMA blue line must be above EMA red line. Wait until the candles bounce back towards the green line. When a candle closes above the green line, that's the moment to place a buy order. Place stop loss below the nearest swing low. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 2. I hope you have understood the buying strategy. For a sell order, EMA green line must be below EMA blue line. EMA blue line must be below EMA red line. Wait until the candles bounce back towards the green line. When a candle closes below the green line, that's the moment to place a sell order. Place stop loss above the nearest swing high. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 2. I hope you have understood the selling strategy. Your trading strategy isn't working. If you aren't careful, you could let it discourage you, allowing negative thoughts like giving up, feeling like a failure, or thinking you'll never make it as a trader creep into your psyche. You think, if I make profits today, and every day this week, I'm doing well. When you don't reach the profit goals you set, you can feel as if you didn't get paid enough for your efforts. It's going to be tough, but as a trader, you must avoid thinking in these conventional terms. An extremely productive week of trade journaling or backtesting may produce 0 profits. When you are trying to achieve a certain level of income in a given time frame, you are setting performance goals that you may not be able to achieve. A better kind of goal to set is a learning goal. Every day you trade, you gain valuable experience regarding how you approach the markets. You see various setups and learn how they can or can't lead to a profitable trade. Every day, you are achieving learning goals. Your daily efforts may not directly lead to profits, but indirectly, they do add to your wealth of experiences. You may only win a battle here and there, but when you add up the battles you do win, over the long haul, you end up mastering the markets and winning the war in the end. If you merely focus on how much money you make as a trader and use a conventional payment schedule, you'll work your butt off but fail to get the conventionally defined paycheck you expect and feel ripped off. But if you define your paycheck in unconventional terms as the amount of experience you gained, you'll feel rewarded for making a series of trades profitable or not, and feel you've accomplished something. You'll master the markets and become a winning, profitable seasoned trader. Now I will show some examples of buy and sell orders. EMA green line is below EMA blue line. EMA blue line is below EMA red line. Wait until the candles bounce back towards the green line. When a candle closes below the green line, that's the moment to place a sell order. Place stop loss above the nearest swing high. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 2. Trade has been successfully closed. Let's look for next trade. EMA green line is above EMA blue line. EMA blue line is above EMA red line. Wait until the candles bounce back towards the green line. When a candle closes above the green line, that's the moment to place a buy order. Place stop loss below the nearest swing low. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 2. Trade has been closed with profit. Let's look for next trade. EMA green line is below EMA blue line. EMA blue line is below EMA red line. Wait until the candles bounce back towards the green line. When a candle closes below the green line, that's the moment to place a sell order. Place stop loss above the nearest swing high. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 2. Trade has been successfully closed. Let's look for next trade. EMA green line is above EMA blue line. EMA blue line is above EMA red line. Wait until the candles bounce back towards the green line. When a candle closes above the green line, that's the moment to place a buy order. Place stop loss below the nearest swing low. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 2. Trade has been closed with profit. As you can see, this strategy is quite simple to follow, but very profitable. Use this proposed strategy if you are interested in having very positive results. This strategy works on crypto, Forex, and stocks, whatever you like, but just make sure that you back tested before. If you have any question, please comment below, and if you love this content, please give a like in this video. Your like always motivates me to discover new profitable trading systems, and for future videos you can subscribe to the channel. So as always, thanks for watching. See you on next one.